Well, good morning all. So it's been a long time since I made a video and posted it. So I'm sitting here at National Indoor RV Center, Atlanta, which is actually in Lawrenceville, Georgia. I've got a different coach now. I sold my 2006 Winnebago Tour, and I have a 2015 Integra Coach Aspire 44-foot coach with tag axle. Drives great, love it. Anyway, so just minor repairs. All coaches, everything, they're mechanical, so eventually things break or wear out. So anyway, so I'm waiting on some service because of the rear hub seals are leaking. They got to order the parts, and I got one bad airbag. But anyway, so these folks have been really great and accommodating. I did contact them a few weeks before I got here on some original issues. Front roof AC had a problem. But anyway, they are swamped, okay? It's crazy here. They working on a dozen coaches a day, at least. And but from what I understand, it's this way industry-wide. I was going to be driving, or I still am going to drive, me and the wife, to cross country west, go out to Houston, and eventually to LA. But I was going to have some of the work done in the Dallas NRIVC because it was on our way, and I figured, well, they can order the parts, take a few days, and have them delivered there. That way I'm not just sitting here waiting. But they can't get me in to do the rear hubs, the seals, and the airbag until mid-April. So these guys can get me in next week. It just depends on when the parts get here. And of course, that's another problem. Parts are crazy right now. Hard as heck to get things for some parts, and then some parts they get within 2 hours. So it's just a hit or miss and luck of the draw kind of thing. But nature of the beast with the whole world shutting down because of COVID, and of course all of the ships, I guess, waiting to dock and offload in the various ports around the country. So anyway, so I'm gonna take a walk around, kind of show you here in Atlanta, and or here at the NRIVC Atlanta, and just give you an understanding of what's going on. So actually 90% of their lot is full of either storage coaches, in other words, people paying them to store their coach for them, or waiting on service, right? So their stock really is only taking up maybe 10% of the lot. So it's really crazy. But as you can tell, they do have some beautiful coaches here though.